compra colchones, tambores, refrigeradores,
Hola, hola, hola. Welcome back to my Jamexican Kitchen, and today I will be sharing with you 10 must-have Jamaican spice and 10 must-have Mexican spice. You know, at the end you're gonna tell me also what are your favorite spices or spice to use in the kitchen. So I'm gonna go ahead and share with you the must-have spices in my tiny mighty Jamexican kitchen. Okay, let's like Jamaica, Mexico has strong, bold flavors and they like spice as well. And other countries do, and also you can find in the different cuisine throughout Mexico some influences from other countries. So I'm gonna show you my 10 Jamaican spices and my 10 must-have Mexican spices, and you know, we talk about it in the comments below. We have our 10, well, more than 10 spices on my chopping board. We're gonna go through them a little bit, not in too much details. So we're gonna start with our onion. That's not onion, right? Everyone should know what this is. This is a garlic. It's another staple in the pantry. Thyme, the same for Mexico as well. Cinnamon, nutmeg, we use this in spice. This is used in tapache here in Mexico. This is used in spice as well. We use ginger. Habanero in Mexico. In Jamaica we use Scotch bonnet. Curry, I love curry. I think a lot of people do love curry, but correct me if I'm wrong. Pimento, Mexico uses a lot. In Jamaica it's a staple in the pantry as well. Chili, this is called chile ancho, but there are over different types of chilies in Mexico, and this is just one of them. And there are various chilies that are in the kitchen. I think I have over 35 chilies in the kitchen, but we're not gonna go into that today. We also have onion, scallion, or cebollin. In Mexico, this can be eaten raw, grilled, or using salsa. Cloves, we use this in spices such as baking. In moles, it's used in mole as well here in Mexico. And avocado, aguacate. Pear, we call it in Jamaica. Here it's called, you know, avocado in Spanish. Mexican oregano, I love oregano. Oregano has that minty flavor. It's nice on top of soups and in stews. And here we have cumin in seed and powder form. It's just as delicious as well. And here we have all I'm gonna say in my book I must have, besides, you know, salt and pepper to flavor. These are must-have spices in the kitchen, in my tiny mighty Jamexican kitchen. And this is usually used, it's in Jamaica it's called anato, and here they use it in the tacos al pastor. It gives the meat.